pain is falling slowly, and the joy that once held all my love is now below me, and the dreams I dreamt on a brighter day don't shine like they used to, 'cause the winter came, blew my days away, but I still need you. And I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things that I can't be sure of, that I can't control, and every little thing between. If I lost you, I'd lose everything. In the city streets, there are those I meet on a journey to be someone, to be spoken of, wrote down in history. But when the striving takes your soul away, and all security, I would dare to say that there's a better way to chase your dreams. 'Cause I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things that I can't be sure of, and I can't control, and every little thing between. If I lost you, I'd lose everything. Cause we think about the future, and we get anxious of all these things, and we can't be sure of, no one can control it, all these stupid things between. Don't lose yourself in everything.